YouTube.
Hey yo, Rand, turn that up.
As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I got a made taper tutorial for y'all today. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna just take a moment real quick and say thank y'all so much. We just hit our first 100 subscribers on the channel, and I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of y'all who was subscribed till now. Hey, I appreciate a lot of y'all for the love and support y'all been showing. We on a road to 500 subscribers. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you like the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video up. Share a comment, whatever you thought about the video. Let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, man, without doing too much talking, we're just gonna hop straight into the video, man. Let go. Alright, y'all, so before I start each and every one of my haircuts, I make sure I comb down my hair. As y'all saw in the previous clip, I make sure I comb down my hair, make sure my hair is laid down and everything. Then I throw my cape on, my barber cape, I throw it on and make sure it's on my body, as y'all see. And I'm just gonna show y'all the before I start cutting my hair, and I'm gonna show you after I cut my hair. So this is the before. I'm gonna give you a little 360, a little twirl, go around, show y'all the back and everything. But yeah, man, this is how we're looking. We're looking rough. I ain't gonna lie to you, we're looking rough. But I'm about to fix myself up, so I'm not even worried about that. But before we get into the haircutting, we gotta make sure you clean your tools first. You gotta make sure you clean your barber essentials. You gotta make sure. Alright, y'all, so to start the cut off, I'm gonna go ahead and create my first guard line, also known as the ball line. I'm gonna do that with my trimmer, as y'all can see. Clean that excess hair up, you know what I'm saying, get it clean with the trimmer. And the other side, I look homeless. But now to the channel if you're new. Road to 500 subscribers. It's been your boy PKY. Hope you enjoyed. I'm out.
Bye-bye. Come back again soon, okay?